How to install our full motion gas spring monitor wall mount. With the stud finder, locate the stud and center the mount on the stud at the desired height. Using a bubble level to ensure straightness, mark the center of the mounting holes with a pencil. Use a 5/16 of an inch drill bit and drill on the marked locations to a depth of 1.2 inches. Tighten the screws to the bracket on the wall using the lag screws until secure. Attach the decorative covers over each end of the bracket. For concrete installation, use a bubble level to ensure straightness, hold the mount to the desired location on the wall, and mark the center of the mounting holes with a pencil. Use a 1/4 of an inch drill bit and drill on the marked locations to a depth of 1.2 inches. Clear any dust and debris from the holes and insert the concrete anchors. Tighten the screws to the bracket on the wall using the lag screws until secure. Attach the decorative covers over each end of the bracket. Lower the first arm segment onto the wall plate until it clicks. Attach the gas spring arm segment onto the end of the first arm. Ensure the arm is connected correctly and the black tab is fully engaged by listening for the click. Tightening the set screws at each joint will limit or prevent the rotation. Do not attempt to straighten the VISA head until it is connected to the monitor and the arm. Connect the VISA head to the monitor using the 4 provided bolts, then tighten until secure. Place the VISA bracket on the end of the mount arm. Hold the edges of the screen and tilt the monitor forward until the screen is facing forward. If necessary, adjust the gas spring tension to balance your monitors. Position the monitor horizontally. If it drops, increase tension. If it rises, decrease tension. To adjust, lift the arm to access the tension bolt and use the provided hex wrench. Rotate counterclockwise or to the plus sign for heavier monitors, or clockwise to the minus sign for lighter ones until the arm stays in place. If necessary, adjust the monitor tilt using the side bolt. If the monitor droops or won't hold its angle, tighten the bolt. To prevent rotation, partially or fully tighten the set screw on the back. Route any cables through the cable management system on the arms.